What is going on, YouTube? Today I have a simple mod that nobody talks about on YouTube. This is strictly for the CCC head unit with the iDrive, and I searched all over YouTube for one of these and I couldn't find it, so I'll probably be the first to install one of these. But let's crack it open and see what's inside. So I ordered this off AliExpress and it took like 2 weeks to come in, but we have this nice packaging and it was only like 10 bucks or something like that. We have this nice aluminum case inside. Let's get it open. We have some protective covering on top, and here is the iDrive knob that we're gonna be swapping out, because this one is kind of worn down and the rubber is kind of sticky on here. So let's see this one. That also comes with a trim removal tool in here. I already got a whole collection started inside there. Here is the knob. It weighs like nothing, but oh man, that looks really clean, and I'm sure on there it's gonna look even better. So we're gonna remove this now. To remove this, that's why they included the trim removal tool. All we want to do is pry it from underneath. I can just pull it off. Oh, that was easy. But here's the old one. This one has way more weight to it, but you can see how crusty it looks. Looking at the bottom, you can kind of see that it has the same locking design, so this one should technically just snap right on top. And let's go for the install. And boom, it snapped into place, and oh man, that just made a huge difference. The original one back in the casing, just to keep everything clean, just like that. And let's check this out again. Yeah, definitely modernized the whole knob, and let's see how it feels. Still snappy like the original one, and it just looks super nice. And they come with two different colors. I believe this one's kind of like the darker blackish mirror finish, and there's also like a chrome, I believe, but this one looks really good. It's gonna look really good with the carbon fiber trim that I'm getting really soon. But yeah, simple mod and nobody talks about it. Just looks so OEM, so good. And this one is for the CCC units, which they really don't make. They make a bunch of covers that you can buy on Amazon for the CIC units, and I haven't seen any on Amazon or Temu or even just eBay, but AliExpress has these. Yeah, you can see that nice mirror finish on there. But let's try out with the iDrive. Let's start the car. All right, so here it is inside. All right, so here's another look at it. Hopefully I'm getting good audio, but as you can see, we have our iDrive on, and let's spin it around. Let's see, let's go to the here. Snapping works correctly, and as you can see, it is scrolling, not skipping. Oh yeah, so it's definitely really cool, and I feel like it's worth the 10 bucks I paid for it. And it definitely changes out the entire style of the interior, makes it look a little bit more modernized. And yeah, so this was the install, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section down below. I'll answer any questions about this. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.